discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Franky Fry. Okay. And I have 812 SA, Declons SA 302
Yep.
on two 12Ks.
Okay.
I did, on a bass show, I did a 155 at 36 hertz. But on music, I'm roughly like 153, 154.
So it's still about mid-50s all around.
Yeah.
Awesome. Are you happy with it?
Yeah, fourth order. I'm happy with it. I changed up the amps. Last time I think you saw it with, they had two 8Ks on it.
Yeah.
And I switched it up to the two 12Ks.
Have you dialed this in at all?
I've been messing with it here and there. That's where I got like the 36.
Yes, sir.
I made it longer. To
Okay.
get a little bit lower.
Yeah.
So,
What are the subs rated at, power-wise?
those ones, I want to say 2,000 RMS, 4,000
Yeah.
peak. So I usually try to pick a number in between that. Those
Yeah.
two. Tweak RMS.
Have you clamped it at all to see how much power I'm putting on it?
Not yet.
Not yet?
I need to get one of those things.
Yes, sir.
I need to get like the thing that connects on the bass.
Yeah. Yeah, you can clamp the power on the art. Yep. Joker system.
Yep.
Awesome.
I keep on changing it up every year.
Hey, that's how that's based on life. Keep it interesting.
What's going on, everybody? I'm JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around. We got a Franky system at the Slamfest audio show near Tampa area. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Definitely impressive 2-song bass demo we're going to be getting to today. A lot of power on tap, and he has two 12Ks. I didn't find out if they were wired at half ohm or 1 ohm. Let's just assume they're at 1 ohm on each of the 4 subs. Those subs are pretty impressive to handle this much power. If you noticed, he has a Joker theme. I've actually posted a few other videos of his prior systems where he had a 4th order prior to this, and he also had, if I recall, a walled system as well. So he's done a couple of different systems, and it seems to like the 4th orders for really good bandwidth, gets windy, and meter's pretty good as well, and has a good musical response. So be sure to comment what you like about his system and hit the like button. So there is 2 other subs you could not really see based on the camera view. I did kind of poke my camera in, but I don't always get the best angle shot. Sorry about that. There is 8 12-inch subs in here. And these things are rated at 2,000 watts RMS, I'm pretty sure he said. It looks like he has like a lifted system to be able to move his vehicle as well. I don't know much about that side. I only know audio side, and a big lithium bank to support this. So a total of 24,000 watts on 8 12-inch subs. 2-song bass demo we're getting to now. Welcome to my channel, JacobViral. Subscribe if you haven't for daily car audio videos on my channel every day, and enjoy this impressive 5-minute demo.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it.
jumping. Keep shaking like that. You gon' have to fall something. Ask where the money at. You ain't talking about nothing. You ain't talking about nothing.
Joker system.
Yep.
Awesome.
I keep on changing it up every year.
Hey, that's how that's based on life.